Have you ever talked about a product and then suddenly started seeing ads for it? If so, you're not alone. And honestly, many people worry that their phones are spying on them. Now, while most smartphones aren't secretly recording every conversation, they do collect a significant amount of data through apps permissions tracking systems and online activity. So, in this video, I'll show you how to improve your privacy and reduce the amount of information your Android or iPhone shares in 2026 first review. Your app permissions, because many apps request access to things they don't actually need, such as your location, microphone, camera, contacts, photo, sand files. Take a few minutes to review every permission and disable anything that isn't necessary. You may be surprised how many apps have access to sensitive information. Now let's talk about location tracking, because this is one of the biggest sources of personal data collection. Many apps track your location even when you're not actively using them. Whenever possible, change location access to, while using the app or never instead of allowing constant background tracking. Now another important step, check microphone and camera access. Both Android and iPhone now allow you to see which apps recently accessed the microphone and the camera. If an application has no clear reason to use these features, consider removing its permission. Now let's discuss advertising tracking, because many companies collect information to personalize ads. On iPhone, you can limit app tracking through privacy settings, and on Android, you can review advertising preferences and reset your advertising identifiers. This won't eliminate all tracking, but it can reduce the amount of personalized data being collected. Now, let's talk about unused apps, because many people install apps, use them once, and forget about them. Every additional app represents another potential source of data collection. If you no longer use an app, delete it. The fewer apps you have installed, the fewer opportunities there are for unnecessary tracking. Now, another useful tip: keep your operating system updated, because security updates often fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious apps or attackers. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, installing updates regularly is one of the easiest ways to improve security. Now let's discuss browser privacy, because much of your data collection happens online. Consider reviewing browser permission, cookie settings trackings, preferences, and website permissions. Many browsers now include stronger privacy features than they did just a few years ago. Now another important habit: avoid downloading apps from unknown sources, because unofficial apps can sometimes collect excessive data or even contain malicious software. Whenever possible, trusted app stores and reputable developers. Now let's be honest for a second, completely eliminating digital tracking is almost impossible in today's connected world, but you can significantly reduce how much information is collected simply by adjusting a few settings and being more selective about which apps receive access to your data. The goal isn't perfect privacy. The goal is having more control over your information. So to wrap this up, to reduce phone tracking on Android and iPhone in 2026, review app permissions, limit location, access, monitor, microphone and camera usage, reduce advertising tracking, remove unused apps, keep your phone updated, and improve browser privacy settings. Because honestly, few minutes spent reviewing your privacy settings today can help protect a lot of personal information tomorrow.